Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can uninstall this BlueStacks emulator, you can say, on your Windows laptop or computer. And this is on the Windows 11. And to play the games, I just install this BlueStacks for the Android games to be played. And now, if I want to uninstall this, you can click on the Windows logo here and then click on. Just search for the control panel. For to remove any software, you can just visit control panel and click on uninstall a program. And there are two actually, BlueStacks software and BlueStacks services. You can remove both because you have to uninstall both. So what I'm doing is, first of all, I'm removing BlueStacks services. Then I'll be removing actual this software also. See, that has been removed, and I gave the confirmation to remove this one also. And tell us why you choose to uninstall. Because I want to reinstall it again, because there is a small conflict between the softwares. And what I can do is I can just install from the scratch. That's the reason I'm just removing it now. See, this has been removed totally now. See, there is no BlueStacks. And if you want the detailed video tutorial about BlueStacks, okay, there is a download file. That's the reason it is showing. I already downloaded, and the BlueStacks is available in my downloads folder. This one it is showing when I search here. And if you want a video tutorial for how to install BlueStacks on your computer, you can search in the description for the detailed video tutorial I did and uploaded it again already. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.